Hello everyone, today I will make soap with a swirl pattern. And will tell the story of the partridge, elephant, and monkey.
Start with the prepared oil, adding with caustic lye. Stir the soap ingredients together. If using a handheld device, please use a low speed. It takes about 5 minutes to stir. We will stir again when adding color. Divide the mixture into 3 parts, adding color as desired. Use a hand blender to stir the soap for the first 3 minutes only, then stir by hand. Add scents as desired and continue stirring until the mixture is just right thick. Usually, we can see proper trace after 15 to 20 minutes. Then, pour into the soap mold. Now, let's listen to the story of the partridge, the elephant, and the monkey. By the Gautama Buddha. Once on a time, hard by a great banyan tree on the slopes of the Himalayas. 3 animals, namely 1 partridge, 1 monkey, 1 elephant, lived in that big banyan tree. All 3 animals lived there. They did not respect each other, did not fear each other, and behaved in harmony with each other. So the 3 friends consulted among themselves, "Oh, how can we know for sure that? Who among us is great by birth? We will respect that person, and will be established in his teachings." Said the partridge and the monkey to the elephant, "Friend elephant, how big was this banyan when you remember it first?" The elephant replied,
"When I was a baby, this banyan was a mere bush, over which I used to walk, and as I stood astride of it, its topmost branches used just to reach up to my belly."
The partridge and the elephant asked the monkey, "Friend, what old stories do you remember?" The monkey replied that,
"My friends, when I was youngling, I had only to stretch out my neck as I sat on the ground, and I could eat the topmost sprouts of this banyan. So I've known this banyan since it was very tiny."
The monkey and the elephant asked the partridge, "What old stories do you remember?" The partridge replied,
"Friends, in that place there is a big banyan tree. I ate the fruit from that big banyan tree and then defecated it at this place. This banyan tree was born from that big banyan tree. Therefore, I am inherently greater."
The monkey and the elephant said to the partridge, "Of us, you are more mature by birth. We will respect you and will abide in your teachings." The story is over, let's continue making soap. Leave the soap in the mold for 2 days to harden, then cut it into cubes bar soap. The soap made according to the recipe will have a mass of 1.069 kilograms. Cut the soap vertically into 3 equal parts. Use a ruler to measure the size of soap you need to cut. Then cut each section of soap horizontally into 3 equal parts. You will get 9 bars of soap. This pattern is named after people in the online world as Taiwan swirls. Before using, the soap should be cured for 14 to 30 days. By placing it indoors, To break down sodium hydroxide, maintain a stable soap mass, and create soft, smooth foam. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and press the bell to support the Papa Co Homemade channel.